Hello, my name is Abby Young, and today I'll be walking you through this mortgage loan processing system that I designed and implemented for Ocean's Mortgage Bank using Monday.com. Before this project, the bank was struggling with manual tracking of mortgage loans across multiple spreadsheets and disconnected systems. This caused delays, errors, and poor visibility into loan statuses, impacting customer experience and operational efficiency. My task was to design a centralized, automated, and easy to use system that will track loans through every stage, right from the new applications group to the underwriting and verification to the approval and disbursement to the repayment and collection. The first thing I did was to import the data from an Excel workbook and populated it into the different boards and different groups. And each of these boards are interconnected and captures critical data with customized columns. And I linked them using mirrored columns and boards connection to ensure that there's seamless flow of data without moving from one board to another and wasting so much time. So I'll just show you the mirrored columns that I created. So this is the mirrored columns from new applications into this board. So let me show you the mirrored column. This is the mirrored columns from the underwriting board into this board. And then for this last one, this is the mirrored columns from the approval board. So I'll head over to the new applications and show you a few automations that I did to save time and streamline the workflows and also ensure that there's timely reminders sent to everyone. So when document is received and it is marked as yes, it changes the status from new application to verification. So you can see how that works. And if you mistakenly picked a yes instead of a no, you can just pick the no back and it will change back to new applications. So I also make sure that an email reminder is sent 2 days before the document submission date so that the loan applicant will receive that email and be notified to submit his or her documents so that their loan application will not be cancelled. For the underwriting and verification group, I made sure that I implemented an automation that 2 days before the verification due date, the assigned underwriter receives a notification to verify all the pending applications. And then on the approval and disbursement, when when the status here is showing pending approval and it changes to approved, yeah, it changes to approved. Okay, so an email will be sent. So I use my email for testing in this case. So I'll show you what the email looks like. So this is the email. Okay, so this is the email. It says, "Hello Gake, the loan application has moved from pending to approval status. Please review the application and take the necessary approval." This is just to ensure that the team goes ahead to start disbursement since the loan has been approved. And then for the repayments and collections group, once once the repayment status changes to overview, the collections team will receive an immediate email notification for them to take action and follow up on the loan applicant so that they can complete their payments. So I'll change this to overview and then head over to my email. So I'll run that. Okay, this is the email here. It's loading. Okay, so this is the email content. Hello Gake, the repayment status for loan 104 Gake has changed to overdue. Immediate follow-up is required to address the missed payment and ensure and engage with the borrower. Please prioritize this case and update the collection status accordingly. If you need assistance and all of that. So this is to ensure that the team is notified and action is taken immediately for them to reach out to the client. Finally, I built a live dashboard that shows key metrics like the total disbursed loans, total approved loans, and total pending approval loans, the mortgage loan portfolio by type and application status, and then the table showing the amount due, amount paid, loan balance, and overdue indicator. So this for this loan balance, I used a formula to find the difference between the amount due, the amount paid to get the loan balance. And then there is the overview indicator. So this workflow transformed the loan processing workflow by providing real-time insights and reducing manual tracking errors. It also enhanced the loan approvals and disbursements. There's proactive collections management with clear overdue indicators. It also improved the team collaboration and accountability amongst them. So thank you so much for watching this demo of the mortgage loan pipeline design. If you love it and want similar solution for your business needs or your workflow, please shoot me a DM and I'll be happy to help. Thank you.